Hi, today I will show you how an app called Glary Utilities works. Glary Utilities is an all-in-one suite designed to help improve the overall performance of your OS. The app comes with intuitive features and provides features for both beginners and experienced users. The app comes with an intuitive interface that highlights some of its most important features. Simply put, the main window introduces you to one-click maintenance where you can fix some of the most common problems you may encounter with your system. Therefore, the app can repair registry entries, shortcuts, remove spyware, programs that are no longer installed but appear at startup, and remove temporary files that take up disk space. The feature can be customized to include more or fewer issues that you think require regular checks on your PC. To customize, simply access the Little Options link from the One-Click Maintenance tab. While one-click allows for a quick scan and fix of all of the above, you also have the option to take a more in-depth look at the operating system and fix desired problems. In the lower section of the GUI you can access numerous functions, including registry repair, software updates, disk cleanup, or the context menu manager, to name a few. In general, the problems detected are resolved quite quickly, and you can also run an additional scan to make sure everything is fixed correctly. As with other similar tools in this niche, it is advisable to back up your data or create a system restore point in case of registry fixes, to avoid real problems. Finally, it's worth mentioning that the app is useful when it comes to erasing privacy tracks from browsers. Instead of clearing cookies, cache, and history of every single browser installed on your system, Glary Utilities deletes them all at once. Not only does it take a closer look at browsers, but it also takes into account plugins, the recycle bin, start menu searches, network places, and temporary folders where sensitive information may be stored. To conclude, Glary Utilities is an app that I highly recommend. See you next video, and now some music.